Alright guys, this is going to be a quick one. We got in a package today. It's going to allow us to fix this girl, plus a couple other ones. Obviously it's Tamiya. Figured I'd let you guys watch me open her. Let's see what I got. I hate these products. Should be all over the room now. So, looks like they're all in here. We got two prop shafts for our one build that we're doing. Let me put the light over here, be a little bit better. So we got two prop shafts for our whatever this is. Thundershot, whatever. We got a bunch of parts, so we're gonna put that together. That'll be one build. And then this is the DFO2 spare parts tree B, which should be all the front cups and stuff. What I'm thinking about doing is replacing all of them so they all have new ones. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about, but I don't have to. So that's that. That's all that was in here. And then here's some TLO1 parts. This is the parts tree, TLO1B parts tree. So it's front end and the cups for this build. So we got this build gets this, and those two get that. That's all we're doing. So I'm not going to get into the builds yet, but you'll see what's coming down the pipe. Also, what do we got going on? Looks like my video just stopped. I'll let it catch up. It's back again. So we got steering knuckles C, parts tree B, which is part number SP1076. We got basically the same thing, SP736 for the TLO1. So it's DFO2 TLO1, and then we got the prop shaft so we can get this guy back together. Be cool to get that on the track. That's something totally different. You know, it's one of the, I got that Terra Scorcher, but I'm not going to run that. This is going to be my runner. I got lots of spares of the arms and stuff, and this has already been run pretty good. So we also got some other parts I might swap out of the DF while we're at it. Now the DF, we're also going to be putting in a motor. We're going to be going with a brushed orbit and all that good jazz. But yeah, it's just a quick one, just letting you know where we're at. Should be seeing a couple videos coming out of the 112s. We got the WL head-to-head, and I'm going to be doing testing the servo or the gyro out on the Dumbo and the LC12B. So that'll be videos will be coming out this week and this weekend. So we also have another set of batteries coming from CNHL, China Hobby line. They should be here in about a week or so keep on the lookout for that. Yeah, and like and subscribe, guys, and this is just a short update video and let you know what we got going on. Hopefully you dig. I'll see you when I see you. Bye. My video's messing up. I'll see you guys. Peace.